So long, kids. See you soon. Hello again to all my friends. I'm glad you came to play. Our fun and learning never ends. Here's what we did today. Isn't it fun to pretend? You can use your imagination to take you anywhere. You can fly an airplane, ride in a bus, drive a fire truck, or a train, or sail a boat. Trains, planes, fire trucks, and boats are kinds of transportation, ways we get from one place to another. But wherever you are and wherever you go, remember, I love you.
Get fired up for adventure when you watch The Big Comfy Couch this afternoon at 1:30 on AETN, where learning is always fun. Next, enjoy The Puzzle Place.
Funding for Barney and Friends has been made possible in part by a grant from the Corporation for Public Broadcasting and financial support by viewers like you.